Today, we will be covering how to install TallOrder's Point of Sale application on your Windows device. So let's get started. Use the link provided by our sales and support team to download the TallOrder application to the device you want to install it on. If there are multiple people using this PC and you would like them to use the application as well, select the option Anyone who uses this computer. If you are the only one using the application and you would like to keep it that way, then select Only for me. Once that is complete, click Next. Here you would need to select where you would like to store these files. Normally, this would be left as is unless you have a specific folder in mind. If that's the case, select Browse and find the folder you want to use. Once you have completed this step, click Install and this will install the application on your PC. When this is complete, all you would have to do is log in with your tenant details and enjoy our point of sale.